Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Colorfully Handmade. Today we are going to see how we can decorate these jewelry organizers. Firstly, I'm going to show you all how we can use Cricut Smart Iron-on Vinyls on these. First, let us just get into the Cricut design space to select the design we want. I'm just typing a name, Kanchana, and you get to use thousands of different varieties of beautiful fonts on the Cricut design space. If you are an Access subscriber, it is really something like a treasure. If you are getting the access for yourself, you can get to use number of different fonts, images, ready to do projects, and so much more. And I am just using this love spell font, and I'm just welding it so that all the alphabets in the name I've just joined and the cut comes out very smoothly. Now I'm going to size it as per my requirement. Just the name would look a little plain, so I thought of adding some elements along. You get to use number of shapes, and you just can search for whatever shape you're searching here in the search tab. I'm just typing butterfly, and you can see there are 11,000 images that are available, and each one of them is very pretty, and sometimes it is so confusing which one to use. I just selected the second one, and here it is. We'll just resize this as per our requirement, and I just want to flip this, so I'm just going to use the horizontal tab here, and the butterfly has turned. I'm just going to do it a little slant, just place it together, and now just select everything and press attach so that the design is a single design. And you can also save this so that you can use in the future also. So I'm just saving this before I move forward. Now we'll just click on to make it, and here on the mat you can just place wherever you want, and we'll just move forward. I'm selecting Smart Iron-on. You can also use the iron-on directly without the mat as well. Here it is just a name, that is why I'm using a piece of it on the mat so that I can save the vinyl. So whenever you use the iron-ons, it is mandatory that you mirror the image. And now as I'm showing you, there is these two parts, shiny part and the matte kind of. The shiny part has always to be placing downwards. Always in any of the smart vinyls, iron-on vinyls that you use, the shiny part should be facing downwards, and you can give a good press and load it into the machine. And as usual, our Cricut Joy is so magical that each cut is so precise, so neat, and whenever you use Cricut products, it is always top notch. And I'm using the mini press for the iron-on vinyls. We'll just heat it along. Now the machine has turned on, and it will take a few minutes until the green light arrives. It needs to be heated. And here it is, and we're just going to use the weeding tool. That is a favorite part for me always, reading the designs, and it is therapy. As you can see, the cuts is so precise, so neat. You need not worry about how it is going to come. Whatever you suggest, whatever you have selected, it is 100% there. And this is how you get it after you weed, and you just place it in whichever place you want the iron on to stick. And now just for the sake of safety, I'm using a butter paper, because there might be a chances of the jewelry box getting damaged because of the heat. And once you give it a good press for a few minutes, let them cool, and this is how you can see it is all attached perfectly, and this will be there forever. And there is another possibility of decorating this with permanent vinyls as well. Quickly add on a design for the second one. I've used a peacock feather with a P initial. What I've done here is I just kept the P initial and selected subtract, so that the P in the part of feather goes off. And now I just change the colors for me to see how it will look. So here I have used two colored vinyls. In case you don't have iron-ons, you can also decorate your boxes with the permanent vinyls that will stay quite longer. I'm using two different colors, teal green and dark blue, and I'm just cutting a peacock kind of design here with an initial as well. So until then, we can just weed the design with the weeding tools from Cricut. See, you can see how perfectly the design has been cut. And here it is. Now we just use the transfer tape from Cricut to transfer the cut designs on the jewelry organizer. Once you place the transfer tape, give it a nice press with the help of the tool from Cricut, so that the design is added on the surface properly. And once it's done, let me also transfer the initial in the same procedure. If at all the vinyl is not coming out properly, you can give a press from the back side of the cutting, so that it will be proper for using. And see, this is how it turned out. And this is how you can decorate any surface with two different materials. One is iron-on and the other one is permanent vinyls, and the possibilities are endless, and the designs you get to use are endless. Thank you.